Hi friends, today we're checking into the DoubleTree Suites by Hilton Orlando, Disney Springs area. This all-suite hotel is located at 2305 Hotel Plaza Boulevard in Lake Buena Vista, just minutes away from the magic of Walt Disney World. As an official Disney Good Neighbor hotel, it offers convenient perks like scheduled service to the parks plus the peace of mind that comes with Hilton hospitality. Let's take a look at what makes this property a great option for your next Disney vacation. One of the highlights of this hotel is that every room is a spacious suite, giving you plenty of room to relax after a long day in the parks. Families will especially appreciate the separate living area, mini fridge, and microwave, making it easy to enjoy snacks or quick meals in your room. Guests also love the outdoor pool, fitness center, and on-site dining, so you don't even have to leave the property to unwind. And of course, you'll be welcomed with that signature DoubleTree warm chocolate chip cookie at check-in, a sweet way to start your Disney stay. Walking into the room, the very first thing you notice is the size. It's a full suite. There's a comfortable living and dining area complete with table and chairs, plus a mini fridge, microwave, and coffee maker. The fridge looks more like a beverage cooler, perfect for drinks and small items. In the living space, you'll also find a pull-out couch, a flat-screen TV, a coffee table, and an ottoman, making it a really functional spot to relax after the parks. Through the sliding barn door, you step into the bedroom of this king suite. The first thing you'll notice is a large TV, perfect for relaxing at the end of the day. There's also an ironing board for convenience and floor-to-ceiling window that matches the living area and brings in plenty of light. On each side of the bed are nightstands with an alarm clock and USB outlets. These outlets are pretty limited, so bringing your own charging port is definitely a good idea. Walking through a second barn door brings you into a very spacious bathroom. I believe we have a handicap accessible room since there are grab bars, a second low shower head, and even a wood tub seat leaning against the tub. I'm not sure if all rooms are equipped with these features, so if you do need them, please be sure to confirm when booking. The bathroom has a single sink, but the counter is huge with plenty of space to spread out your things. There's also a full-length mirror so you can check your look before heading out. In the shower, you'll find full-size Crabtree shampoo, conditioner, and body wash bottles mounted to the wall. A hair dryer is also provided. It's the typical Conair 1875. It gets the job done, but if you're picky about dryers, you may want to bring your own. Returning into the bedroom, I realized I skipped the closet. Inside, you'll find extra pillows and blankets, wooden hangers, and an iron. There's also a luggage cart and safe for your valuables. In addition to the hanging space, the closet includes shelving, which makes it really handy for keeping everything organized during your stay. When you open up the curtains, you're greeted with a view of the parking lot. There's not a lot to see, just some of the nearby hotels, but what it does give you is plenty of natural light. The window brightens up the entire suite, making the space feel larger and more inviting, even if the view itself isn't the star of the show. Let's continue exploring the property. Exiting the elevator on the ground level and turning right will bring you to the Evergreen Lounge, which is open nightly from 5 to 11. Right next door is the Evergreen Café, serving breakfast daily from 6:30 to 11. Breakfast may or may not be charged separately. When we booked, there was an option to add breakfast for $25 per adult, even though the website indicated it was free. While preparing this video, I went through the booking process again, and this time it didn't give me the option to add breakfast. I do recommend double checking at the time of booking so you know exactly what's included. We opted just not to eat there. Backtracking and heading in the opposite direction, you'll find a hallway with conference rooms, seating areas for work or relaxation, and even a couple of fun Disney photo ops along the way. Keep walking down the hall and it will lead you to the pool area. The pathway is beautifully landscaped, making for a pleasant stroll. And it's a short walk to the pool and bar area. The pool area at the DoubleTree Suites is impressive and inviting. It's large, with fountains pouring gracefully into the water, adding a relaxing ambiance. The surrounding deck features big block pavers and plenty of lounge chairs, so finding a spot to soak up the sun is never a problem. Off to the side, there's a hot tub, perfect for unwinding after a long day at the parks. The entire area is beautifully landscaped, creating a lush tropical feel. Plus, the pool is fully handicap accessible, complete with a pool lift chair, making it easy for everyone to enjoy a dip. Adjacent to the pool is the pool bar and outdoor dining area. It makes it easy to grab a refreshing drink or a quick bite without leaving the pool deck. Whether you're looking for cocktails, cold beverages, or casual snacks, it's all right here. The seating is comfortable and shaded in spots so you can relax and enjoy the view of the pool while taking a break from the Florida sun. It's a great spot to unwind, catch up with family or friends, and enjoy the resort's beautiful landscaping while sipping a drink after a busy day. Just through the gate beside the pool, you'll find a fun splash pad area. It's perfect for kids to cool off and play safely while parents relax nearby. Colorful water features and gentle sprays make it a great addition to the pool area for family fun. Just through a second gate and down a short path, you'll come to a playground area. It's a great spot for kids to burn off some energy with a slide and climbing structures. The area is safely designed and shaded in parts, making it perfect for families to enjoy some outdoor fun while taking a break from the pool or the parks. If you keep going, you'll find 2 tennis courts. These are directly beside the playground, just in case mom and dad want to play a game while the kids play nearby. Overall, the DoubleTree Suites offers a lot of options for fun and relaxation right on the property. Between the large, beautifully landscaped pool with fountains and hot tub, the adjacent pool bar and dining area, the splash pad for kids, and the nearby playground, there's something for everyone. The pathways are easy to navigate, fully handicap accessible, and the whole area is designed to let families and guests unwind after a busy day at the parks. It's a perfect mix of relaxation and family-friendly recreation. Well, that wraps up our tour of the DoubleTree Suites by Hilton Orlando, Disney Springs area. From the spacious, well-equipped suites to the convenient Disney Good Neighbor perk and all of the on-site amenities like the pool, splash pad, playground, and dining options, this hotel really makes it easy to relax and enjoy your Disney vacation. I'm about to grab a little libation and soak in the atmosphere. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more. And until next time, keep exploring.